Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl Ani. I'm back with another video. So, as you can see, I have put my hair in some curls. I put them on rollers actually. This was done so I will be able to accomplish the style that I have in mind. I seen a Instagram page that had this style. I will post that. And so it just gave me inspiration to try it and see if I can achieve the look with my shorter locks. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So I brought this foam ball because I'm gonna use this as like a stuffing for the base of the style because I don't have that much hair. So we're gonna be using that, and I'm thinking I'm gonna put that in with some bobby pins, black bobby pins. I'm using that on the inside so you won't see that. I'm going to take my ball and I'm going to cut just a little bit off of here. Try to get it maybe a little bit smaller. I think that's feasible. And I don't want to get rid of the small of it. So we're going to try it. Now my idea is that I'll cut a little hole in the middle, about a quarter size. So I'm just going to take some scissors and try to bust the hole in the center. It's a little messy. Bigger scissors. Bam. Bigger scissors. Alright, so I hollowed it out. And so now I'm going to take about a quarter, I would say a quarter size, in the center where I would like it to be. Ponytail. Okay, so my idea is that I'm going to put that hair through this hole, make this sit like a base. Now how I'm going to get the hair through, I'm thinking I'm going to take this crochet and do it, but I don't know if it's too much hair. So let's see. Is it even long enough? First of all, oh yeah, it is. Almost. Oh. Now, let's see if this part works like I think. I'm gonna put some bobby pins in here. My idea is coming together, y'all. It's gonna be kind of high, but it should be cute. Placement. Okay, yeah. Alright, so my idea was I was gonna take this part right, like so, right? Now the fact that this actually worked, kind of like as I envisioned. Hope so far. Let's not get excited, okay? I'm not gonna get ahead of myself. Now I ain't the biggest fan of bobby pins, so how long this is really gonna last? Probably like a day or so, but it'll probably be cute though. I might have pushed it a little bit further up than I had planned. It's more like a top knot now. So I said I was gonna work down. So first I'm gonna pin curl it, and I said I was gonna work from the top down to the bottom. Now this is why I chose styrofoam, because I felt like it would hold the pins really good. And it's going to. Alright, so that's the first one. 2 fingers. Roll. Stick that in between the 2 fingers, clamp it so it stays, and then pinch all together. Nervous about putting too much pressure on this styrofoam. I want to push it out of place. Yeah. Yes, y'all. Listen, stop playing with me, you guys. I'm trying to get this right, and it is really actually working. For this base part, right, to make it like that tuck look, I think I'm gonna just put some pins down here and tuck that shit all the way in. Hey. Okay, so we're gonna keep going because it's looking like this is gonna work, y'all. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with this top part because that's not gonna work. It can't be white up there. And see, curling the ends just gave me a bend on the end, so I have a little bit more control over them.
If you haven't already, please hit like.
Yo, this about to be fire. Period. Alright, y'all, so we are pretty much like around bending the corner. I want to show y'all the little beadery I got for it. Just some cute little pearl bedazzles right here. Ew. Yo, this is coming out super dope. Yo, period. Like, I didn't even plan for it to come out this well. You feel me? Like, it's just coming out so pretty. Like, yes. Just the bead on the pen. Go ahead and stick that where we want it. That is going to be so cute, y'all. This is coming out so cute. Alright, y'all, so as you see, I have finished, y'all. It is all done. Now I just have to put some setting lotion on it and wrap it. Alright, y'all, I am back and I am finished, y'all. OMG, it is so cute. Let me spin it around for you. I'm so getting, you know, that vibe, 90s vibes. Listen, it worked out absolutely beautifully. I am absolutely loving it. Like, it's so cute. It's not heavy. Did y'all see the detail there? It's so cute. We'll see how many days I can rock it, y'all. I'm just need my nails done, like, it is a little further up than I wanted to be. That's maybe a little bit further back, but I'm okay with it because I wasn't about to shift it too much. But I'm loving it. It's cute. Like, yes. So happy with it. Like, it came out so pretty. Definitely bad vibes, baby. And the pin curls came out really pretty, and I worked the shit out of this little short hair, baby. You would not know this hair is not even long. Who hair short? But yeah, you guys, I'm very happy. Let me know if you guys like it, if you're feeling my technique. You know, if you have any suggestions on what I should try or what I should do next, guys. So let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. I appreciate your time always. I will see you next time. Thanks for tuning in. Mwah.